Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the essentials. Choose one language and commit to daily practice. Install Git, learn the terminal, and set up a single editor you customize. Once done, create 3 focused projects, a command line utility, a CRUD web app, and a deployed demo so you can iterate on real feedback. Make sure to push every change to Git with clear commits. This trains workflow and creates a portfolio you can show immediately to recruiters and peers. Once you have basic projects, shift to the harder middle, learn data structures and algorithms with targeted problems and timed practice so interviews stop being mysterious. Simultaneously, add automated testing, continuous integration, and deploy workflows. This is how code becomes reliable. Make sure to learn one cloud provider and container basics for production parity. Also, contribute to open source or take small paid gigs. You finish by packaging your work for employers. Polish your resume, curate a GitHub portfolio, and prepare 10 concise behavioral stories that show impact. Practice whiteboard problems and basic system design until explanations are clear and concise. Once done, apply consistently, network, and use mock interviews to improve. If you hit a plateau, key troubleshooting tip: record a mock interview, review mistakes, then isolate one weak skill to drill for 2 weeks before retesting. This prevents scattershot practice and accelerates improvement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.